Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple way to sharpen scissors right at home that anyone can do. Let's find a rusted pair of scissors and blunt. As you can see, this scissors is very dull. What country are you watching the video in? Please leave me a comment. This scissors is very dull. Let's prepare a file to be able to sharpen this scissors. If the grinding is not like this, it is very tired and painful hands. So let's prepare an Ito to fix the scissors. Then let's fix one blade of the scissors. Next, let's sharpen the blade. This part is very time-consuming. Be patient. If you don't understand anything, you can leave me a comment. When you have sharpened long enough, change the blade to continue grinding. If you find this video interesting and useful, please give me a like and a share, so that everyone can know. After using a sharpener to sharpen the blade, let's prepare this red felt plate and grinding machine to repolish the pole blade. polished finish. I'll prepare a box with just enough scissors. We spray a rust-proof layer on both sides of the blade. Then use the brush to hit. Just add some vinegar you have at home. Add 3 spoons of soda and a pair of scissors. A little more water. Take a brush and brush it carefully. These are also things that are available at home. A little more toothpaste. Keep hitting the scissors. That's it. Good luck.